Hello and welcome. Untitled Chapter is here with you from Auto Prime, and today we are at Badwan for Cars to have an in-depth look and walk around of the 2018 Kia Morning. Before we start, please support us by subscribing to our channel. The car has a smart key access system. Just keep it in your pocket, utilizing the black buttons on the door handles to lock and unlock the car. In order to start, push the brake pedal and hit the start-stop button to go. Electric assist power steering wheel with multifunction controls. 4-speed automatic CVVT transmission. Backup camera appears when in reverse. And now let's turn on the headlamps, fog lights and the hazards and check the exterior. The car chimes, letting you know it lost detection of the key. It has a full LED daytime running lights, brake lights and hazards. The low beam is a projection light. This car is distinguished with holding a good marketplace, considering the features it provides with low cost in compare with other rivals. But this doesn't mean it is not reliable, as Kia is well known for their 7 years warranty worldwide, and that's enough to tell you how reliable it is. Double rear exhausts, parking sensors and backup camera. And now let's check the engine. The engine is a 3-cylinder petrol 1-liter double overhead cam that produces 83 horsepower and 90 Newton meters of torque. Kia says the engine can do up to 18 kilometers per liter. And now let's check the interior features, shall we? Power folding mirrors. Six-ways manual driver's seat adjustments. It has a 7-inch touch display that is very easy to use with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Radio presets, Media, Map and SatNav need installation. Settings, Sound settings adjustment. Illumination and display settings. Bluetooth and phone pairing settings. Phone projection, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay settings. Clock, language, keyboard and other various settings. A single zone climate control. Recycling and ventilation. Rear and front defrosts. USB auxiliary and two 12-volt power outlets. Two cup holders, seats and steering wheel heating buttons. Garage home link. Reading lamps. Vanity mirror with auto illumination. Sunroof and manual sunshade. Push-up for ventilation. Here is the driver's infotainment button. Cruise control activation. Scrolling keys. On the left-hand side are the media, phone and voice command buttons. Here are ESP and tire pressure monitoring. The vehicle chimes to alert you that the sunroof is still open when you turn off the car, and the graphic appears on the driver's screen. The driver's seat is at my position and I'm 182 centimeters and still have a good amount of leg space and headroom. ISOFIX points. This car's price is $16,500 and you can save up to $500 with Auto Prime special discount. Rear seats are foldable 60/40. For other city cars videos, click the top left-hand corner to watch the Renault Clio review and the bottom left corner to watch the Nissan Micra review. Don't forget to hit the like button and tell us which would you choose between the three cars in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.